So after a bit of a different experience this week, it gave me an idea for this video, which is where we discuss one sign that your business is not in a good state. What's up, you wonderful people? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all healthy, well, and aren't yet self-isolating yourselves. Interesting fact, one of our customers had to request that we set up remote access for one of their staff this week as they had to self-isolate. This thing is real, people. Before we do get started, of course, please do hit that subscribe button down there because, well, I don't have any friends. And seeing all your faces subscribing to the channel warms my heart. I had an experience this week that's not often one we come across, and I wanted to share some information with you that I gleaned from that experience. And this I thought might be interesting for whether you're an employee and you want to know the one sign that may indicate that your employer is in financial trouble, or for employers, well, it might make you think about how you're dealing with your IT. So, what is the one sign to look for that shows that your business is not in a good state? Reusing old logins. If your name is Jane and you are logging in as Tom, and Tom left the company 4 years ago, but they still haven't gotten around to setting up an account for you, Jane, then something is likely going wrong here. Do you follow me? And that runs into email accounts as well. So if you, Jane, are using Tom's email account still, and you don't have your own personal email account, something's up. It doesn't take long to create a user account or email account for new staff. There it is, the magic, the gold, or not, so to speak. If you're in a business that is struggling, get out now. Get out now! But in all seriousness, businesses who are like this, who are sharing user accounts between multiple staff, who haven't created user accounts for new staff, it's only a matter of time before an event comes along that could wipe you out. Seriously, what is the likelihood of that same business investing in the correct cybersecurity? I even saw a news article today talking about I think it was a local council in the UK. They're in their third week without IT systems due to a cyber attack. We take cybersecurity very seriously. I'd hazard a guess they probably didn't take it seriously, or they wouldn't still be offline 3 weeks later. I've just found it now, so it's Redcar and Cleveland Borough Council. They are now building a new server and website, as well as mobilising a temporary call centre. The only options to pay the cyber criminals or rebuild from scratch by using offline backups, which is often far more costly. Here's their statement. As a council, we have always taken cybersecurity seriously. And we will continue to engage with the authorities to ensure our systems are as secure as possible in the future. I think that's where they're missing the point here. There's security, and then there's backups and disaster recovery. They seem to be missing the backups and disaster recovery point of view here. Yes, we can secure our systems, but if something doesn't work, backups and disaster recovery, anyone? Maybe? Oh dear. Sort your security out, sort your backups, your disaster recovery, your business continuity plans, sort it all out. Aside from the physical staff you employ being a risk to themselves, protecting your email system is by far the #1 source of threats. And then, not forgetting, of course, your backup and disaster recovery. It is IT 101. It's the basics, the essentials. IT 101. Make sure staff are using their own logins with permissions limited to the minimum that they need to perform their job. If you're not already doing this, then you will fail. And you'll fail the Cyber Essentials certification outright. What's that, Jane? Well, yes, I know you've only just started in the company, but you can just use Tom's old account. I'm sure it has access to everything you need. He had access to everything. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. Hopefully this was useful, entertaining, something. Like, subscribe, all of the things. See you in the next one. Thank you, bye-bye.